Hey guys, hopefully you can see me at a good position. Hopefully you can see me, guys. Say hi when you get on. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully it's not lopsided. Can you tell me if it's straight? That would be great, because sometimes the video just doesn't work out. So if it looks good, let me know. All right, guys, so I'm gonna have a sweet treat for you. Show you how when you're craving chocolate, or you're craving a crunch, or you're craving a dessert, especially this time of year, this is so easy to make that you can really whip it up in 5 minutes and put it in freezer, and as soon as it's done, you can eat it. So it's really quick and easy and fast, and that's what we love. So before I show you this chocolate nutty bark that we're making, I found some awesome things that you guys might like. These are Quest protein chips. Now if you're wanting that crunch and snacky filling that you want, tortilla chips, if you want, I don't know, something like carrots and dip or anything like that, or I don't know, a Dorito. This is definitely my go-to because it really does take care of that craving. So it's cheesy, and I'm gonna show you up close what it looks like. It's by Quest, and they're pretty awesome company when you're going low carb keto. But it's Quest protein chips, cheddar and sour cream. It's the original style, and it's 4 net carbs, but let's see, 1 gram of fiber. So yeah, 1 gram of sugar and 4.5 grams of fat, saturated 1.1 gram. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's a go-to, and it's better than the tortilla chips that are high in carbs, right? So, okay, kind of pricey, but it's worth it if you love that kind of stuff. If you can go without it, great. Another thing is I found Vital Proteins collagen peptides, gluten and dairy free. It's paleo and keto friendly. It's unflavored. So what I do with this, it's pretty good. It's got a lot of amino acid, so it's awesome. What I do with this is I make a pumpkin spice broth in the morning and just add a scoop of this to it, and I'll probably do a different video on that because it's really, really good, especially for fall time. I think I'll be drinking it throughout the entire year, but it's really, really good. And then I've been coming up with a routine every single day, and I will have to show you guys what I do in the mornings and how I eat, and maybe just take you through what I eat in a day, kind of a thing. But and then obviously I use ketones every day in case I'm kicked out of ketosis for some odd reason, too much protein, too much carbs. Then I take my exogenous ketones, get me back in ketosis, and it gives me tons and tons of energy that I need as a mama. So we'll get started with this bark. So what you need is, I have Lily's chocolate. Let me come and show you, so you guys can know what this is, because I got this off Amazon, and it works pretty well. It has stevia sweetened, 55% cacao, vegan, non-GMO, so it's no sugar added, which is what you want. And then I have 90% cacao bar. So you could use either or, whatever your preference is in a dark chocolate. Make sure it has really, really low in sugar or none at all. And hopefully it's made out of stevia or monk fruit. Those are the best options, but if you don't have that, then just probably avoid altogether if you want to be absolutely strict. So, okay. So what we do here is put how much ever chocolate you want. And this could last you for days and days eating it out. So I'm gonna put, I'm just gonna do Lily's chocolate. And then I heat this up little by little in like 20-second increments in the microwave. And just let it heat up, and then we're gonna stir it. So the toppings, okay, when you pull out the chocolate, we're gonna put like peppermint or anything you want. It can be plain or however you want. You can put monk fruit to sweeten it up a little bit if it's not as sweet as you like. And so yeah, let's do it a little longer here. Okay, in the meantime, we want to chop our nuts, and the nuts that I'm using is Brazil nuts, and I'm using macadamia. Ouch. Don't chop your finger off. That's not a good idea. Wow. Okay, almost had a finger come off on live video. That would be interesting. Okay, so yes, be very careful with the knives. Macadamia, Brazil, you just pick your favorite nuts and seeds. That's basically what it is, the topping. Okay, and then you can actually put it in a food processor, and that will work really good because you're going to be adding cinnamon and spices to it if you want to. You can just have a plain, just bland, but adding like monk fruit, cinnamon spice, and Justin's peanut butter, or the Costco brand almond butter. Okay, so in the food processor, I should have got that out because I think I want to use it. Okay, and then I have almonds and walnuts. Okay, not very many walnuts, but the most low in carbohydrates is Brazil nuts. This is always a number one go-to is macadamia nuts. Another nut is hazelnuts, but I don't have any on hand. Let me grab my food processor. Okay, might have to take it over a little bit so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. How are you guys? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you had a good Halloween, getting ready for Thanksgiving. Okay, so it's starting to melt in here. Ooh, okay. You just kind of want to, okay, once it starts melting down and it's all combined and touching, then, can you see that? You put the toppings on, or you put that peppermint, just a little bit of peppermint, and stir it in. If you like peppermint, you don't have to. It does give that minty taste that everybody loves. I love mint. Okay. So, okay, they're all like melted together. Okay. And you get a look at food. Okay, it looks like that. And then set that to the side. Put your nuts in the food processor. Add your spices. So I've got like allspice. It's basically what's in here is nutmeg, cinnamon. It's like, yeah, the Thanksgiving allspice. And then be generous on your spices because you want it to be flavorful. And I add more cinnamon because I have a whole tub of cinnamon to use up. And then add your almond butter. Okay. Okay. Now put the lid on. Make it to how big you want your nuts. I like them small. And this goes great for like a breakfast. If you're craving kind of like an oatmeal thing, then this would be great with some almond milk. And then you just sprinkle it on. And you can add like chia seeds. You can put, I could have put that in the food processor too, but some chia seeds all over. And then you can even do hemp hearts. Lots of protein here. Super yum. Okay guys, it is looking amazing. Amazing. Just kind of pat it down into the chocolate. So, and then flatten it out as much as you can because it's like a bark. Ooh, this looks so good, you guys. This could be your protein bar. Awesome. You stick this in the freezer. You don't have to have the plate. But you stick it in the freezer. When it's all done, you break it apart in pieces like bark and you eat it. It's awesome. Okay. So, putting it in, and I'll show you. Right here, right there. Okay? And just let it sit there for a while, and then you can have your dessert tonight or protein bar or whatever you want to call it. But it's amazing, you guys got to try it. So let me know if you tried it and if you love it, and then really try out that peppermint. Next time I'm going to try peppermint. That would be a good thing to use. But yeah, that's all I can think of today that I wanted to share with you. But hope you enjoy this video and you guys take advantage of this group and learn lots and participate and post your meals. That would be awesome and amazing if we could all do that together. I know I'm posting all the time, But if you want to get something out of this and get motivated and really stick to your goals, then posting your meals is going to help you get there and meal prep better. So if you guys want to have any more tips from me, let me know. You can go to my YouTube channel. I've got lots and lots of stuff there, Jana Hilton, and just check it out. So, all right, talk to you later, guys. Bye.